आप कितना क्वेश्चन सही करेंगे कमेंट करके ज़रूर बताना। तो चलिए जल्दी से देखते हैं टॉप 15 एनसीईआरटी बेस्ड एमसीक्यूज ऑन ह्यूमन रिप्रोडक्शन। What is the primary function of the testis in the male reproductive system? Answer is D, both A and B. What is the primary function of the ovaries in the female reproductive system? Answer is D, both A and B. What is the term for the periodic slitting of the urinary lining in females? Answer is A, menstruation. Where does fertilization typically occur in human reproductive process? Answer is B, fallopian tube. What is the term for the early stage of development after fertilization? Answer is A, embryo. What is the term for the period of time during which a developing embryo or fetus growth inside the uterus? Answer is A, pregnancy. Which hormone regulates the menstrual cycle and pregnancy in females? Answer is B, progesterone. What is the term for the method used to prevent pregnancy? Answer is D, all of the above. What is the term for diseases that are transmitted through sexual contact? Answer is D, all of the above. What is the term for the inability to conceive after 1 year of regular unprotected intercourse? Answer is A, infertility. What is the term for medical treatment designated to assist a pupil in conceiving a killed child? Answer is D, all of the above. What is the term for a type of ART that involves fertilizing an egg outside the body? Answer is A, in vitro fertilization यानी कि IVF. What is the term for the physical, emotional and social well-being of an individual's reproductive system? Answer is D, all of the above. What is the term for the natural sensation of menstruation in females typically occurring around age 45 to 55? Answer is A, menopause. What is the term for disease or conditions that affect the reproductive system? आंसर इज डी, ऑल ऑफ दी अबव। आपने कितना क्वेश्चन सही किया कमेंट करके ज़रूर बताना और ज़्यादा क्वेश्चन प्रैक्टिस करने के लिए हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करें।